Lights out. Today we're going to show you how to make this beautiful stunning LED lamp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and to make this lamp you need 5 copper wires of 40 centimeters and another 5 smaller copper wires of 20 centimeters and more smaller of 10 centimeters. And you'll need cardboard for the base. You can decide whatever shape you like. Then we need LED lights of flower shape or any design you like, and a black cover. So I'm going to be cutting small strips of this black cover. And now what I'm going to do is bend these copper wires. I'm going to be leaving 2 centimeters of gap from the bottom and start twisting it. And I have also not twisted some part of the top because I will be spreading it almost this much, as you can see. Next I'm also going to be twisting the 20 centimeters one, and I'll be leaving 2 centimeters from the top and the bottom each, as you can see. In our first one, I will be taking from the 5, I'll be making pairs of 2 each, leaving one in the middle. I'll be straightening that. And the bottom, which I left, I will be spreading it evenly and make it flat on the surface. Then we will attach it like this. We'll glue it on the cardboard to make the base. We will also cover it from above with a cardboard to give the support more strength and durability. And I will be attaching the smaller branch like this. I have attached it, as you can see over here. Then I will be covering it up with this sticker, and I will be using the smaller ones as random branches and place one around here and some here and there. And I'll be back after I did that. I'll just come back. But before that, I will be making the base. So what you have to do is you have to spread the wires below the first cardboard piece of the base by making the hole in the center, but only of one cardboard, and glue it on the next. If you wish, this is all you need to do for the base, but if you want to add a little bit height to it, you can glue multiple layers. Until that dries, I'll be drinking the nice, tasty, refreshing smoothie. If you want to know how to make this smoothie, click in the corner or the link will be in the description below. It is dry now, and you can see it is supporting the structure well. And now I will be covering it up with the strip of sticker. And it's done. I have done it to the branch, and now it's time to attach these flowers on the branches. Now I'll show you how to do it. First of all, we have to insert the copper wire like this, a little bit into the flower, the connector of the wire, and then you have to wrap the wire along the copper and then just tape it, and it'll be good to go. And it will look very nice and clean and smooth. Now I'll be doing it to all of them. Now I will show you how it'll look all over it, the wire especially in the center of it. Okay. Man, this is taking time. It's pretty simple to make, but the time, it takes a lot of time. We have quite some more flowers to go. I'll just be back when I'm done with all of it. I'll be back. Okay, it's done now. It's complete. It's very simple to make. It looks very good. It looks like store bought. And did you notice the wires in the center over there? Yes, don't worry. No one would ever notice it once you put this on display. You just on the lights and it will be disappeared. Now it's time to cover the base. I'll be taking the circular sticker or cover and I will be making it for the center. I'll be putting a hole. Cut the line. Okay, blue eyes is again here. She always likes to interrupt while I'm making a DIY. So you cut sections of the sticker and you stick it on the base like that. And Blue Eyes is kind of liking it. And she's running around the dining table and then eventually she is coming back. And that's it. It's completed. It's done. It looks very stunning, beautiful. It looks as if we bought it from the store. The true beauty of this can be seen during the dark. Okay, lights out. See how beautiful it looks? It's very easy and simple to make, but just a little time consuming. Okay, lights on. Remember, please like, share and subscribe.